Hi everyone, this is Trina at John's Furniture Repair, not in the shop today. And this is my girl Elle. She is my Clyde Hackney thoroughbred horse that I've owned for about 6 years. And we are working on a lot of stuff because my dear girl is losing her eyesight. And so we're doing some simple circles and learning how to learn voice commands because she can't see what I'm doing with my body. So she's a really good girl and she's worth the effort. And she knows a lot of stuff and she understands a lot of the things I'm saying, but we're still learning. So we're actually going through a course right now with a really famous couple, Endo and her and his owner. Endo the blind horse, you can look him up, he's really cool. He's got no eyes and he does competition rides and really great liberty work, and his owner is amazing, and she decided to do a course for not just blind horses but with that blind horse twist. So Elle knows a few tricks up her sleeve and she's pretty good at them. She's one of the type of horses that likes to please and tries hard, and let's show you some. I'll just show you a couple. The first one, I'm going to get her to turn toward me, but just on her front feet. And I'm going to say here. And I'm going to stand apart from her. And she already knows, here. Even with my body language, she has a little bit of sight left, so she still uses that. So, here. And she just turns towards me with her front end. And that works on both sides, because you got to do it on both sides. Here. She knows what we're doing. And then she gets the pets afterwards, of course. The other one that I want is just for her back end to come to me. You know, when you're standing at a mounting block or when you're trying to get on and they're a little bit out of alignment, it's nice to have these cues. So I'm just going to get her bum to come over to me. And I'm just going to say the word bum and kind of tap at the back of her hip. Bum. And then she moves her hip in for me to get on. So that's really nice. She does that on both sides too. And the last one's a little bit more fancy. I mean, she's got lots of different moves. But this one, she's got to cross both feet over and come to me sideways, like a side pass. She's got to be paying attention. So over. There you go. You can see both feet passing. Get her to cross them over a little bit better. Over. There. Almost. Over. Over, Ellie, over, over, over. There we go. Good girl, Ellie. Let's show you on the other side, because I think that's your bad side. Horses are like people. We're left-handed and right-handed. They always do something better on one side than the other. So it's kind of funny. Over, over. There you go. There, over. Cross that inside, there you go. Over, 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 come on. Over, 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 over. There. There, those two crossed. Good girl. Good girl. So what we've just been working on with Elle lately, going through the course, is getting her to listen to my commands when I'm not right next to her, touching her. So that means a little bit of space between us, and she still has to listen. So I want her right now to stop on a circle and not turn into me. So we're still working on this one, but we can see if she'll do it. So walk on. This is going to get her to go forward in the circle. Walk on. And I'm just going to ask her to stop. Perfect. No, don't come into me though. So you want them to stop straight on the line there and not turn into you and face you. And that's just a setup for some liberty work that we're going to do later on. You want to try it the other way, honey? Can you walk on? Good girl. And stop. Stop. If she doesn't stop, I'm just going to wiggle the rope a little bit to remind her. Good. And then once they do what you want, you got to give them those rewards, because horses learn from the release of pressure, not the actual pressure. So this is what I do on my downtime when I'm not fixing furniture. come out here and get my mind clear, hang out with this beautiful girl, and get ready to do some more work later. So see you guys next time.